Hey, well, I wanted to take a few minutes on this glorious Sunday afternoon to explain a few things that are very, very simple. Stop scrolling, pay attention. You now have 56 days, according to the UN Security Council, not to the crazy prepper guy. See no tin hat here. Tin foil hat, that is. That we have 70 days, and now we have 56 days. I started this as soon as I found out about it. I tried to share the information with everybody I could. Some people are listening, others are not. It is what it is. As preppers, we know this. As preppers, we know and accept that this is the kind of stuff that we have to deal with on a daily basis. If you haven't seen my TikTok, make sure you go check that out. I did a little bit more detailed stuff. Obviously here on YouTube, you're getting the longer videos. Get your shit in order, man. Just get it in order. It's not fear porn. It's not fear mongering. If you don't know what to do, if you need a list, go to my Amazon page. There's a link down below someplace. And yeah, I sell shit. I get like 3 cents every time you spend $100. So if you think that's a real problem, you have a real problem. Let's see, what else? Get those 3 things. Focus on those 3 things. Especially if you just stumbled across this video and you don't know what the hell I'm talking about, go back a few videos and you'll see what I'm talking about. Water, food, security. Those are the only 3 things you need right now. Everything after that is an add-up. It's an add-on. It's like the cherry on the top of the cake. But if you do that, you'll be okay. Also, people are asking for community. It's like, oh, we need a community. I've actually had people say, we need to find a spot to link up. It doesn't work anymore because everybody is disconnected by the digital world that we live in. If you guys are serious about community, get your ass in the Patreon. There is a link below. Yeah, it's $3 frickin'. So what? Go to Starbucks. See how far that gets you. Okay. I think that's about it for Sunday. We'll see what happens on Monday. Till the next time, stay safe. Have a great day, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye-bye.